Bye.
Love you.
Love you too. Macam-macam ditinggal ni. Bye.
Dia bakal tahu.
Okey lah call.
Tak boleh.
Selamat siang dan selamat berpuasa. Hari ni should be the first day of bulan Ramadan. Aku harap hampa semua dalam keadaan yang baik. Hari ni is extra sunyi untuk aku. The kid is not here. My wife is not here. Dia orang semua balik ke Nilai untuk menyambut puasa dengan my in-laws. Tapi aku tak dapat nak balik sebabnya I'm working. Sebab itulah klip tadi awal-awal that is right after sahur. So lepas dia bersahur, dia orang terus bertolak ke selatan. It's not the first time lah aku berbuka puasa seorang diri. So I'm okay with it. But itulah, rasa sunyi. But that's okay. Kejap lagi aku akan pergi berbuka dengan my parents. To kickstart the day, hari ni aku dalam perjalanan untuk pergi ke Sunway Carnival Mall. Kalau tak silap aku, minggu ni je aku dah pergi hampir selang 2 hari ke Sunway Carnival. But today, I'm going to work. Aku nak pergi shoot some photos dekat Sunway Carnival Mall. There's an event going on. I was assigned untuk shoot some photos dekat situ. The tiredness of the Ramadan start to kick in, tapi I'm okay with it. Cumanya dalam kepala otakku dah sementara nak biasakan the minds to not eating anything. Jadi aku rasa dalam 2-3 hari would be normal again. Hari ni pun jalan nak ke pejabat tadi pun lapang je jalan. There's no jam. There's no stuck in the traffic. Sungguh bahagia bawa kereta. I was hoping this kind of traffic happen every day. Brutal jugalah nak cari parking hari ni. Aku rasa aku dah spend dekat 20 minit berpusing nak cari parking. Tak ada parking hari ni. Which mean hari ni tempat ni penuh dengan orang. Jom. Ya. That way. By the way, by the time you guys watching this vlog, Alhamdulillah, this is the 7-day streak of the daily vlogging. So hari ni adalah hari ke-7 aku upload vlog. So I think it deserve a small celebration. Kan? Celebrate anything. Oh, lambat pula aku. Okay guys, so on now.
Bye 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 bye.
Bye. Bye.
Ganti rugi daripada 2 juta ringgit ke
Just finish work. So right now is almost 6. Jadi sebabkan hari ni my family tak ada dekat sini, I'm going to my parents' house untuk berbuka puasa with them. While walking inside the mall tadi, masa aku shoot, sambil aku tengah shoot, I realised something. I enjoy this kind of process. I enjoy this kind of process more than expecting people watching me. Dulu bila aku buat vlog, the motivation is simple. How many views that I get? Berapa orang tengok vlog aku? Setiap kali upload, I'm refreshing the analytics to see who are viewing my vlogs. Kalau view naik, aku rasa inspired to do it. Kalau slow, rasa macam konten aku ni something wrong ke kan? Benda tu macam hilang sendiri tau. Maybe I'm doing this because it is who I really am. I like to producing content. Views of course are nice kan. Siapa yang tak nak? The feeling of being appreciated is quite important sebenarnya. But for now, all I want to do is my creative flow to be flown at the right place. Aku nak pastikan apa yang flow out from my creativity is beneficial. Ada guna dia, ada value, even though the view are not that great. So that's why the 7-day streak, which is for this episode, it is something small but it's worth it for me to celebrate because it's a good sign of discipline over motivation. Okay, aku rasa I'm going to send back this car, kemudian switching it to the motorcycle.
Dah habis vlog hari ini sampai sini. Jangan lupa, jangan risau, jumpa lagi esok pagi. Dah habis, jumpa di vlog esok. Jangan lupa klik subscribe pada Hanis.